call them horsenalities. Like people, with horses you have introverts and extroverts. The Pirelli Horsemanship Program was all about teaching local owners how to ride and train their horses depending on which horsenality they've got.
Introverts need you to do things a little bit slower for them to get it, and extroverts need you to not be boring to get it. And so by playing with a horse to his horsenality, we've been able to take people's results much faster and to higher levels.
The Virginia Horse Center made $35,000 from the two-day Pirelli event. VHC Executive Director Catherine Truitt says events like the Pirelli program are the best way for the center to make money.
The majority of the shows that come to the Horse Center are because outside organizations and horse show associations rent the facility. So that's how we generate our revenue.
At the Rockbridge County Board of Supervisors meeting on Monday, Truitt and others from the Horse Center proposed a 1-cent increase in the local tax on hotel rooms. The increase will help the VHC pay off the $11 million debt the center acquired in 2007. The center has laid off 39 of 58 full-time employees and has cut spending as a result of its debt.
The lodging tax that was created to pay our debt service when the Virginia Horse Center Foundation purchased the Virginia Horse Center from the state, well, that lodging tax is not covering the debt service. If they raise it by a penny, it will cover it.
The board passed the proposal to the county staff. It will hold a work session later to focus on the proposal. Until then, the VHC plans to keep hosting events to raise money for the center, and groups like Pirelli want to return.
We really love the Virginia Horse Center facility, and especially in the winter, that we can have I'll be indoors and have heating. People have driven 8 hours, 4 hours from the north and the south. So yeah, it's just a good location.
For the Rockbridge Report, I'm Carolyn Holtzman.